welcome to A.J.L Lifestyle. This is Jasmine here. Today I'm going to be doing a little mommy segment for you. What we have going on is we're going to be unboxing and setting up the summer learn to sit 2-position floor seat. Now I do have a similar baby seat in the Fisher-Price brand, but the reason why we went with the summer brand is because they had the exact design and pattern that we wanted for our Sophia. Now I'm so glad that we got referred this type of baby seat from my sister-in-law and my brother. Sophia's little cousin loves his seat, so hopefully Sophia will love hers as well. Now I should have got this baby seat a long time ago, but being a first time mom, I'm still new to learning all these baby items. However, now that she's 6 months, she's a wiggly worm, wanting to just sit up on her own and, you know, be a big girl already. So hopefully this seat is a prize winner of all her baby items, because she's starting to just wanting to get out of her bouncer and her swings, and she'll tolerate her walker here and then. But anyway, stay tuned for the unboxing and setting up. So after opening the seat up in the package, the seat looks pretty easy to assemble. It already came pretty much done, like all the parts are together on this already. This goes in. You push it in until you hear that click. So once the feet are already on this, it's pretty hard to deassemble it. The feet are pretty much locked in place. So it's sturdy, it's not coming undone. Now in the back, the little mat has a little loop right here, and there's a hook that's inside there. And that's where you're gonna attach the little loops on both sides. And that keeps the mat from going out of place. Now the way you lift this up is really easy. You don't even have to press the buttons yet that's on both sides. So you just lift it up. And position 2, you just press the button on each side. And this is position 2. So position 2 is higher off the ground. While position 1, you just press the buttons again to go back to position 1. If your baby was sitting in here, your baby's bum will be on the ground. And the way to put it completely flat, you just press the buttons again and it'll go down. And it does come with a little buckle inside that's adjustable. And the seat itself comes undone. So that is attached right here. These little buttons over here. So you take it undone from all the way around, and you're able to throw it in the wash. It is really convenient, really lightweight, and pretty small. Doesn't take up a lot of space at all. And it's easy to take with you to travel in your vehicles, storage in a small place as well. So this is Sophia in her baby seat. I think she really likes it. It's something new, so she really does like it. Look, she's going after the toys. So I do like this baby seat. It has quite a bit of support on the back and on the sides. This has it all around, and your baby is secured with a strap inside. Now I do like this bottom part. It's a little, it feels like it has cardboard inside it. So it's not just like flat cloth. But it does protect your baby from getting their feet dirty on the floor or wherever else you're gonna sit your baby at. So I really am enjoying the seat. And remember, this whole top part comes off to wash it. Every baby has a blowout or anything else that gets really dirty. These toys come off. You can actually even put your own toys on here. Now the bottom part, I wasn't able to take it off, and I am not sure if it does come off, but it doesn't feel like it does. So this is the second position on the way the baby seat goes. This one is lifted up off the ground. So I really recommend this type of baby seat. Well guys, thank you for watching our video on unboxing and setting up Sophia's new baby seat. I think she's really gonna love it. Stay tuned for more videos that we'll be posting in our very near future. And subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, Mama. Look. Say bye.